The next one on here is my connections. And my connections is also very important because once I look at your profile and I find you to be interesting, the fact of the matter is I'm going to ask you to follow. I'm going to follow you. I'd like for you to follow me. I can send you a message. We can remove the connection if we don't like it. We can stop following a person. So we give you all of the options that you want, but my connection. So I want to connect to people who are like-minded to me, okay, and have the same interests I do. I'm interested in growing your business. I'm interested in helping you grow your business. But I also connect with business owners outside of this with people who are in internet marketing and people who are business coaches because they have similar interests to I do, and we talk about issues. So my connections is really an important thing. That's why filling out your profile is so important because people connect to you if they understand who you are. So connections are very, very important. Once you see a profile, then get over there and connect with people.